Hey, what's going on, people? Barber Rides in the house. Today's video is going to be on what I'm packing out for the Idaho BDR. It maybe help you out, maybe not. Maybe you just want to laugh about the stuff that I'm bringing, or maybe you like it. I don't know. We'll see. Let me know what's going on, and here we go. We'll start the inventory. The inventory of what we're taking. Yeah. Well, here's the whole deal. Everything will go inside those 3 bags. Should say 4 if you count the tank bag. So let's get started. I guess we'll start with the bigger stuff. I got my clothes bags, dry bags for clothes, and I got my tank bag here. Got a first aid kit. I pretty much just set it up for a GoPro station, basically a charging station. Got everything I need, all my batteries right there, so we can just always keep the GoPro battery charged. This trip we're gonna go with the quilt setup. This trip went with the mummy bag last time. I'm not too much of a fan of the mummy bag, so we're gonna try something different. Here, these quilts are mighty comfortable, so we're gonna try that. Then my sleeping pad, and I got a liner for the sleeping bag or for the quilt. Pillow. I got a little night light for my helmet light for any night riding. I got my headlamp for at night, bringing along a little solar lantern. Flip-flops for when you're at camp when I don't want to wear boots. I'm bringing gloves. These are the ones I'll probably wear most of the time, my MX gloves, but just in case it gets cool, I brought thicker and then definitely thicker. Last time I was in Idaho, my hand, it was mighty cold in the morning. My hands were freezing, so I'm bringing my snowboarding gloves just in case this time. Here I'm bringing one of those wet towels. Get it wet, wrap it around your neck. It'll keep you cool for if it gets hot. Gator neck, beanie, and of course we gotta have the rain suit, top and bottoms. I'm not too into wearing adventure gear, so I'm just gonna be wearing regular stuff besides boots. These are motorcycle rain gear, so they're vented properly if you need it. I am bringing a little light tripod. I'm bringing some goggles just in case I feel like wearing goggles. I wear glasses most of the time, so I brought these. I'm gonna bring these glasses. They're cheap because I always lose them or break them. This little bag here, that's my food. Some basic stuff basically for backup just in case. We'll probably eat it in restaurants or diners or something, who knows. I got 2 little cases here. This isn't an Oxbow, this is actually my toiletries box here. Toiletries in there. This is all my audio equipment. And then we have brand new paracord, reflective paracord. Then I have some older stuff here that I use. It's already cut to specific lengths, so I don't have to like mess with it on trail. I can just pull some of my shorter stuff out and use it if I need to. I'm taking the Garmin Montana 700. This one's going to be my backup. I like to have it just in case. And then I could have it also to compare between the different devices. Elevations sometimes are different on them all. That's usually the one that I notice the difference in is usually elevation. Then obviously I got the Garmin Zumo. It's going to be on the bike. Spot, you got to have a satellite device for communicating, or if you need your ass saved. Obviously GoPros, selfie stick. You got to have a good sharp knife. You got to have a good sharp knife. Got your We the People holster here. I'm bringing a little axe with me. Just because Idaho have a lot of trees that fall down all the time, so you never know when you may need to chop a tree out of the way so you can continue on your mission. I like my little go bag here that I usually take everywhere with me. Got a little saw in it, life straw for water, flint for starting fires. Also got a little torch. I got bandages and stuff, pressure wound bandages, backup knife, backup flashlight, little multi-tool kit here with a spork and spoon. And got a water pouch, got a jacket. It's my jacket that I'm gonna wear. it gets cold. Hopefully I don't have to wear a jacket. Hopefully I'm just wearing a riding jersey the whole time. And in this bag, this little Possibles pouch, I have a grill, over the fire grill, my cooking kit in here, which is basically an outdoor French press. I got my little burner, coffee mug, or a coffee cup I should say, gas for the burner, all that's in here. In this bag, I have backup tire, inner tube, tool kit, everything I need to get the tire off. I got the big zip ties and stuff in here. Obviously, this is a little chargeable air compressor. I'll have to plug that in, just make sure it's charged before I leave. And I got the 1 liter extra fuel can. Am contemplating this. I'm probably gonna bring it anyways because I do have the room for it and it weighs nothing. So it's another mummy bag. It's a 40-degree one, so it's very light. Probably just use that in combo if it gets cold with everything else I got. Rather be warm than cold. And I got my little camping chair and my tent, 2-man tent. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I'm packing out with me for the Idaho BDR, minus what I'll actually be wearing, which is just gonna be probably some regular cargo pants with my riding boots. Probably will wear my armor and a jersey and my helmet. But other than that, this is everything that's gonna be going on the bike, minus one more thing, which is my little Barber Bag, which will have all my clippers and stuff in it. It's not big at all. It's probably about the same size as that camp chair. So that'll be the one other thing that's added to it. Oh yeah, and one other item too. This bag right here. Of course, the drill. So that bag will be in there too. It does kind of look like a lot, but once it packs down, it packs in pretty tight. So, Let's hear what you guys got to say on the comments. You agree? Think I should get rid of something or add something? Or is it just fine the way it is? You guys let me know. This one always goes on your gear. Must be on your person somewhere so that you can get to it if something happens. This gets strapped to the bike. This gets put on the bike. This gets put on the bike. That's it. This goes on the bike. All the bags. Bam. This goes on me. So, as you see, it all fit in the bags and on the box. So that's how we're gonna do it. Next step is gonna be putting the racks on the bike and then putting all this stuff on the bike. So, see you there. And you know what the funny thing is about these videos is, like, no matter what you do for the video, when it's time to go, there's always something else that's gonna get added or subtracted. So maybe the name of the video should be what I pack out on a trip, plus or minus.